I'm using full limeage. I like lime.
Okay. Full limeage.
Yeah.
It's going to be very limey.
It's going to be very limey. Yes. Well, it is lime pie. We'll just say lime pie.
Lime pie. Okay. I've got lots of lime butts in my bowl.
Lime butts in the bowl. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Bob and Kelly's Martini Monday.
Yes, where we are mixing up a different martini for you guys every single Monday of the year.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's going to be a lot of martinis.
It's going to be a lot of martinis,
but somebody's got to do it.
What better way to make Monday better than a martini for Monday?
That is so correct.
Yeah. So we are concluding June's Salute to Citrus.
Salute.
With a key lime pie martini. I am very excited about this one. I have no idea what it's going to taste like.
Oh, but I bet it's going to be great.
It is going to be great.
So I'm just going to I forgot to do this just a second ago.
I did that already.
Oh, you did it?
Yes,
wow.
I did.
Jeez,
I am the prep chef.
So good.
I am the prep chef.
I should not be amazed at all because you are good. Anyway.
So this martini is a little bit different.
Yeah, but here's the thing. We're going to use regular limes because key limes are not in season right now.
Right. So we used regular limes, but we will tell you the recipe, and Bob has already pre-squeezed some of the limes because it calls for a lot. And you guys didn't want to watch Bob sneeze for 5 minutes. Please hold. And we're back.
Thank you for that commercial break.
You guys did not want to watch Bob squeeze limes for 5 minutes.
No.
So we saved a couple just so you can see the squeezing in action.
And remember always that our recipes are doubled. It's for 2 martinis.
For 2 martinis.
If it's just for 1, sorry.
Yeah.
Sad.
And as always, we are pre-chilling our glasses with some ice.
And we are using these coupe glasses. I love these.
Yeah, we are going to use a coupe glass today because
it's classy.
Kind of seems right for a key lime pie martini.
Yeah,
did we say we're making a key lime pie martini?
Yes, we did.
We're making a key lime pie martini.
With regular limes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's a regular lime martini pie.
But if you had access to key limes, you can feel free.
Yeah, I said that wrong. Regular lime pie martini.
Yeah. Anyway,
let's get to mixing this.
Let's get to mixing this up.
All right.
So what we're gonna need is coconut rum. We need 3 ounces of coconut rum.
I got the big guy.
Because it was better.
Better value.
Better for the environment.
Better for the environment. You like coconut rum, don't you?
I do. I actually tasted this, and it was good. I could drink this with ice.
I don't think I could. But
it's really good.
So 3 ounces of coconut rum.
3 ounces of coconut rum.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, coconut rum. And we also need 2 ounces of vanilla vodka.
2 ounces vanilla vodka.
Were you unsure of what that was?
No, I wasn't.
I think that's going to make it taste like the pie.
Yes.
The vanilla vodka.
Vanilla is going to do.
Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we're also going to need 1 ounce
of pineapple juice.
We just got these tiny little cans because,
you never know when you're going to need pineapple juice.
You never know when you're going to need pineapple juice.
And we just need 1 ounce of that.
Okay.
1 ounce.
1 ounce, that's it. And then where's the cream in your recipe here, darling?
We need 2 ounces of cream.
Okay. Bob didn't put the cream on his recipe board.
That's okay.
That's okay.
2 ounces of cream.
Okay. Heavy cream?
Yes, heavy whipping cream.
All right.
There.
That's gonna make it.
It's gonna make it really nice.
Really
and
nice.
Frothy.
And then we also need.
It calls for 2 limes for each drink, so 4 limes.
4 limes.
I've already squeezed 3 into the shaker.
We're gonna squeeze.
We're gonna squeeze
one
more. So we got
our handy squeezer.
Cool little handy. I love this thing.
I know.
It does
it's
so
awesome
good.
Squeezer.
It kind of turns it inside out too. This is what's so cute.
And
lime
lime butts. Before we had lemon butts, now we have lime butts.
Lime butts.
So they can play together.
Okay.
Well,
that sounds funny. There.
All right.
Lime butts.
Got a bowl full of lime butts.
Okay, so now we got it all in there: the coconut rum, the vanilla vodka, the pineapple juice, the cream, heavy whipping cream, and the key limes. And we're gonna give it a dry shake.
Ooh, a dry shake
so we can get that whipping cream a little bit frothy.
Okay, cool. I guess that's what makes like the meringue-ish.
Yes.
Kind of feel with
it.
Dry shake.
Dry shake, and it's got a nice little froth on top. I think I want to do it a little more.
Okay. There's nothing wrong with 2 shakes, right?
That's right.
2 shakes are better than 1.
Always. And then we're going to pour the ice from our coupe into there.
Okay. And then we're going to pour the rest of the ice in the bucket.
And then while I'm doing the shaking,
I'm going to rim these glasses with some graham cracker crumbs and just a little bit of sugar. I'm going to take one of these here lime butts and I'm going to use it to wet the rim of the glass.
yeah, and I made these crumbs in a coffee grinder.
Right, which is a really good way. We just took regular graham crackers. You can buy graham cracker crumbs if you want, but we just put ours in a coffee grinder.
It makes it super fine.
And you put a little bit of sugar in there too.
And I did put a little bit of raw sugar in it too.
Okay.
So you want to give it a good shake. Like I always say, when there's frost on the glass, it's ready to go.
Yep.
And there's frost on the shaker.
Frost on the shaker. All right. And the trick is to see if you can get it open. The first one was a little messy, but this is what your glasses are gonna look like. So graham cracker rim, it's gonna simulate the crust.
What did we do with the strainer?
I always forget the strainer.
I have the strainer. I have the strainer.
I'm very interested to see what this one's gonna taste like.
Yeah. So here we go. Looks very creamy.
It does. And then I'm going to garnish with a lime wedge.
We wanted to do this, you know, because we're going to give our little shout out to Key West, where the key lime pie.
Fry?
Yeah, pie. Where the key lime, it's like I had 2 or 3 of these already.
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
It smells very coconutty.
It does.
Yes.
It's kind of nice.
So what do you think? You want to take a drink?
Let's take a drink. Cheers.
Okay, cheers.
That's key lime pie, all right.
Oh my God.
You can taste the coconut rum.
That's like eating a pie.
It kind of is.
Seriously. And that graham cracker rim.
Yeah. That's like liquid key lime pie.
Wow.
It's
that
a
is
little.
so good.
It's a little limey.
Yeah, but the key limes are smaller.
Yeah,
so
if we'd have been able to use key limes,
we probably would have used 3 instead of 4.
3 instead of 4, but that's
Yeah.
okay.
Which is good.
Yeah.
So you know, feel free to adjust it any way you want.
Right. But it's pretty darn good.
But anyway, Key West, we'll see you soon.
Oh yeah, we're going to Key West soon. By the time this video airs, we'll be in Key West in 2 weeks, I think.
Yep.
Right? Bob is down in his key lime pie martini. What do you think about this one?
I am loving this.
Do you like this one?
This is caught, you know, this, besides the orange, I love the orange one. This one probably is my favorite.
Is it?
I love lime.
You do like lime.
Lime is like my go-to. I will drink lime and
This
soda.
would be a really good like dessert martini for the summer. You know, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think without the graham cracker crust, I wouldn't like it as much. But the graham cracker crust really does make it seem like key lime pie. Okay, cool. As always, I will post a recipe in the description down below if you guys want to make this. Let us know if you do.
Let us know how you like it.
Yeah, exactly. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our video, and let us know if you make this
And join
guy.
us for next month.
Oh yeah.
What are we doing?
I don't know. So come back next month and see what we get up to. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.
Yes.
And we'll see you next time.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.